guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a chevron shirt. I have my shirt turned inside out and I'm just going to fold it in half. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make long vertical fan folds in my shirt. So I'm going to begin by folding it in half, and then I'm going to take one side of my shirt and fold it down probably about 2/3 of the way. Then I'm going to take and fold it back. So if you notice, what I've ended up with is really large fan folds on this side of the shirt. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side of the shirt. I'm trying to make sure that I smooth out all my seams and folds. When it comes to my sleeve, I'm just going to fold it so that it fits within this same area. Now I'm going to use a ruler and a washable marker and make a mark on my shirt every 3 inches. Then, using those marks, I'm going to just draw some diagonal lines on my shirt. If you want to be precise, you can make marks on the other side too. I'm just kind of eyeballing the diagonal part. Now I'm going to fan fold each of these diagonal lines and tie them up with sinew. For this shirt, I've mixed up 3 different colors. I'm using cotton candy, which is a Pro Chem color. Then I'm going to use lilac and ice blue, which are both Dharma colors. This is my first time using the cotton candy, so I'm not entirely sure how bright or how pastel this color is going to be. I mixed it up using 2 teaspoons of dye to 1 cup of water. I started with cotton candy, followed by lilac, then ice blue. I'm just going to continue this pattern all the way down the shirt, and I'm making sure each one of these sections I saturate really well with dye. Once I'm finished with the front side, I'm going to flip it over and do the same pattern on the back side with the dye. Let me tell you a little bit about my dye setup. I'm sure you can see the dye, and if you're wondering, that's not on the rack that I have my shirt on. That's down inside of the tub that the rack is over. What I do is I use a long tub, one like you would use to store things underneath your bed, and I lay a closet rack that's longer than the tub over the top. Then I just put my shirt on top and dye my shirt, allow all the excess dye to run into the tub, and after I'm finished with my dye sessions, I can just take that tub out and rinse it out. The rack, however, that I put my shirts on, I wash that or wipe it down after each shirt so that I don't transfer any of the excess dye from the shirt before onto the shirt that I'm getting ready to dye. Alright, so here's what our chevron shirt ended up looking like. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really easy. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching.